Hi, Usha.
Hi, Dr. Lalita. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. How about you? How are you?
Yeah, I'm fantastic. Thank you so much for inviting me in this show of yours. I'm truly
Yeah,
honored.
it's ours. Like, it's not mine, it's ours. We are sailing in the same boat, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Uh, so, everyone who is here with us today, I just want to tell you all today I am here with Usha, one of, very soft, very gentle, very humble, very positive personality and is influencing me as well personally. Her full name is Usha Vijaya Raghavan. She is, a possibility coach. So if you are facing any issues, if you are feeling low, so she is there just to boost you up. She's such a wonderful, powerhouse of energy. She is an NLP master practitioner as well. And today she has come here on my invitation, on my request, just to discuss about one of my favorite topics is bucket list, right? So that's too close to your heart as well and my heart as well. But before we begin, Usha, I just want to ask from you about NLP. Like, what is this all about? And just tell me about that. Like,
Okay. Dr. Lalita, I will tell you in person in detail, but I would just like to read some lines about NLP, right?
mm-hmm.
Okay, if you permit me to do that, I'll do that. Uh,
Yeah,
yeah, NLP is a combination of how people think, linguistics, how people communicate and interact without words and program, the
mm,
specific patterns in people's emotions and behavior. It is a technology that takes into consideration the guiding principles, techniques, and attitudes regarding real life behavior and arise from the evaluation of subjective experience structure, communication, and
yeah,
behavior. If certain
mm-hmm.
behavior has a specific structure, NLP captures that in order to learn, interpret, and transform. It is hypnotic in origin and style. Okay, it is all
Oh,
about
wow.
the communication, how you
Mm,
interpret certain behavior and
mm-hmm.
how you behave and how
Mm,
you perceive a certain situation. Everybody has his or her map of reality. I may look
mm,
at certain thing in a particular way, you may look at it in a different way. It is
right.
like where we come together and come to a common plane and uh, make the transformation happen.
Mm,
That is where
right.
NLP plays a great role, you know.
Like how we take information, how it processes in the neurons, and how we just
Yes,
store the information. It is something like that.
yes,
This is, I
yes.
think, really great. Like understanding this
Very
all
interesting.
itself is a yeah.
Very, very
So
interesting.
this is something one and only you are doing it in my knowledge and information. So I'm really curiosity. I have curiosity about knowing this all. I mean, no doubt
Actually, in
about
our
it.
circle, many people are doing it. Many people have done these coaches. They have done.
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
in my context, I'm just saying.
your circle. Okay.
I'm talking about my circle. Yeah. Yeah. So, with Usha, I let's just come on our topic. The topic today is bucket list, family bucket list. So
Yes.
first of all, I request you to unfold this bucket list word to all of us.
Okay. And what is in your bucket list?
Uh, in my bucket list is my profile right now, my social media profile.
Okay. Bucket list, if you have to talk about it, it is that experience what people want to have in their lives. Okay. It could be anything.
Okay.
It could be monetary. It need not be monetary. Many of us since childhood, we would like to have, I mean, done something. We would have thought maybe I should have done that. I should have gone here. I could have done something for this person. It need not be for us. It could be for others also. So there are so many small, if at all I could have done this, like that, the list goes on, and it continues till we leave this world. So when you have those things, and just imagine when all that happens in your life, when all these small wishes get fulfilled, how lovely your life is going to be, right? So the bucket list basically is what you want to, your small wishes or big wishes, what you want to do and have an experience of doing it in your life.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Means it is something like we are wishing, or we are just looking forward to experience something in our life, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
Thank you so much. Usha, these days parents are working as well. They are too busy in multiple things, office,
Yes.
home, and kids and all. So, do you think the parents should have a bucket list?
All the more reasons for them to have a bucket list,
Hmm.
because they're always on to their computer. They don't go here and there. At the most, they go to their kitchen and then come back, sit in front of the computer. And
Hmm.
there is nothing beyond this computer, if you
Hmm.
see.
Yeah.
Sometimes they are stressed even when the baby comes and sits on the lap, and then when the parent is attending a call, the baby comes and sits on the lap. Even I mean, in fact, my niece is doing that. She's telling, "Mama, come play with me." Like that, she
Hmm.
tells. My
Yeah.
granddaughter does that. So,
Hmm.
a lot of stress is happening, although they can't scold the child. And the stress
Hmm.
is definitely there. When you physically attend the office, that is not there. You're totally into that. But here, multitasking is there. At the
Yes.
same time, you don't have, you're in that state where you would like to um, get yourself free and do something what you want. So,
Yes.
in this scenario, it is all the more reason for people to have their bucket list.
Hmm. Right. And I think moreover, like parents are somewhere the role models, isn't
Yes.
it? Like they
Yeah.
are the stakeholders. Whatever they will give is going to be with the next generations. They will try to have. They will lead their life automatically the way their parents are leading,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
So we need to
Yes.
be very much cautious about that, at least, if not something else,
Exactly.
but about that we need to think a lot, right?
Exactly. Exactly. And we
Uh,
always hear these grandmas telling, I should have done this, I wanted to do this. Even I've heard my mother telling me, I wanted
mhm,
to do, I wanted to develop my singing, but I could not do. Like that,
mm,
there are, but maybe they did not know that this is something they could have worked on to make it happen.
mm, right, right. And parents should encourage the kids as well. Like the small kids, sometimes we feel they do not understand anything, they don't know much about the things. So, what do you say? Like the parents should encourage the kids to make their bucket list.
Okay. Now, when you're interacting with the child, maybe you can start telling, this is in my bucket. You can have a big board, colorful board written, today I want to go, I want to do this. Tomorrow, I mean, next month I want to do this.
Hmm.
The child keeps seeing that.
Mm-hmm.
Mother wants to do this, then
Yeah.
again the child also imitates, it would like to imitate. It will start
Hmm.
asking that, when will I make my list? So
Yeah. So true.
indirectly the child will start copying the parent. So there are
Hmm.
so many creative ways of doing it also.
Hmm.
In old days, when I was even a child, they used to have that small box, parents used to give those coins on the, and my father used to give on the first day of the salary, he'll give that
Hmm.
coin to put in the box. That is
Hmm.
where they start inculcating the habit of saving. That is exactly the concept. As soon as you get the salary, part of it goes for saving. In the same way, even the bucket
Right.
list, you can
Right.
start creating a bucket list for you, for the entire family also.
Hmm. Hmm. Perfect. Like family bucket list, like Usha, everyone has one's own, desires, one's own dreams. Kids have their own, parents have their own, then grandparents have their own. So how
Yeah.
can we say like it can be a family bucket list? Is it possible to make a family bucket list?
Yeah, definitely. When there is a go, I mean, everybody will have certain contribution towards that common goal for the
Hmm.
entire family. So that becomes
Hmm.
sub list. To make that happen, I have to do this.
Hmm.
Sometimes it may also look like a to-do list or a
Hmm.
task.
Yeah.
Okay. So on the
Right.
broader aspect, yes, the family bucket list, yes, all of us will go on a holiday. That could be
Hmm.
done. The senior person can take a charge and make things happen. But individually also, they can have their, for that to happen, I need to do my part.
Hmm.
So this person chunks it, like power leads. Yeah, I need to do this to make that happen.
Yes.
So
Yes.
the
And
whole thing comes to a frame.
And Gemini, thank you so much for your message, Gemini. I'm overwhelmed. Like you have come to see our session, and she has written, I still have those coins. As you were discussing, Usha, so Gemini is also saying like she is also having those coins
Yeah,
given by the
yeah,
parents. And
yeah.
I too have them, like those 10 paisa, 20 paisa, and everything. I too have that with me.
Yes, yes, yes. Even now that habit doesn't go, like it is
Right,
there in us.
right. So, what is the importance of family bucket list according to you?
Actually, it binds the family,
Hmm.
because when you have a common goal, see, even it is not that the child will participate in elders' goal. Even elders
Hmm.
will start participating the child's goal. So the child gets
Yeah.
motivated to do more.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So if the child says that, okay, I want, see, this is November, in June, I want to go to that water theme park. That is it is in my bucket list. Maybe
Hmm.
the parents can say that in order to make that happen, these are the things you need to do.
Yeah.
So there, again, that programming is done. So the child
Yeah.
learns how to schedule its activities
Mm-hmm.
and then to make that happen. So
Yeah,
in
very
that,
right.
and
Like,
that the child gets motivated. Yes, in June I'm going there, so I better do all this nicely. So
very
that
right.
is,
Like if a child is saying, I want to go to that water park, it's a good opportunity, to ask the child to save some money. Okay, I'll give you every month this much rupees. If you will save this much, we will take you to the water park.
hmm,
Isn't it? It will give a
yeah,
kind of responsibility as well to the child. It
yes,
while it's giving a holistic growth to the child,
yes,
responsibility, leadership, decision making, controlling themselves, isn't it? Yeah,
yeah.
it's so true. Like, huh.
Yeah, and
And
after it happens, also the child can go creative into writing what it about its experience. That is an
hmm,
experience which gets embedded in the mind. When it has to share its moments of happiness, it will
yeah,
definitely come out. And the thrill of making it happen will always be there in the mind. See, we all work towards that. We made it happen. That sense of achievement will be there.
right. So, like, bucket list is like how we should do it. I mean, it should be on a daily basis, weekly, monthly, how it will work. Like, it should come in flow. It should be the part of life. How it can come in a better way, like just how to set this bucket
They
list in the
see,
life,
yeah,
the
as
family
far as
bucket.
bucket list is concerned, there is nothing better or everything for that matter, Dr. Lalita. In life, it is only a feedback. Nothing is
Hmm.
good or bad. If you do it
Hmm.
rightly and you get a good
Hmm.
result, it is a good feedback. That is it. So,
Yeah.
bucket
Yeah.
list is something you can never say that this is a good bucket list. It has to have a structure. No, bucket
Hmm.
list can have a, I mean, you just whatever comes to your mind. See, I wanted to go to a, for a long time, I had not attended a spa. So that is in my bucket list. When I go and experience that, it is a unique experience for me. It may not be for
Yeah.
anybody else. It is totally subjective what you want to do. Like
Hmm.
you can see some patients,
Hmm.
they are there bedridden for a long time. They
Yeah.
also will have certain bucket lists. I want, maybe they may not physically go somewhere or something like that. They can make it happen for somebody else. They would have thought, I wanted to do this for somebody, that is in my bucket list. That also could happen. Anything which you want to have, that happiness, that pleasure that brings a smile on your face.
Yeah, yeah, so true. Like Dr. Shumana has written such a wonderful comment here. I would like to mention it. She has written, if parents do not use it as a bribe, many life lessons can be taught. So that's so true. There is a very thin line between, motivating the child and between bribing the child. So parents really need to take care of it, like at any cost, like in any context. They should not let the child, they should not bribe the child. If you will do this, I'll do this. That's a very valid point.
Yes,
Yes.
it is a valid point. The way of telling is only if you do this, we will go to the water park. It is not to be told, let us all make it happen. When you
Yeah.
say that, that sense of participation is there. If you say that only if you do this, we are going to the water park, that may sound like a bribe. But when you say,
Hmm.
let us all make it happen, even I would like to go to that. So even you
Yeah.
want to go. You do your little
Yes.
bit, I'll do my little bit. Yeah, let us
Yes.
all make
Yes.
it happen. Then it gives a different connotation altogether.
Perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Like a bucket list is something like practically what I'm thinking is like parents should have a small kind of container or box or maybe a display board as you mentioned at home. And if anything child says, okay, I want to do this in life or I want to achieve this or I want to get this. So we can ask the child just to write it down and just put it into that bucket list. Like
Yes.
one bucket list for child must be there. Because I think what I feel is as after meeting you, I started making my bucket list, so my head is quite relaxed and I know what is my target further. To be very honest, Usha, like when you, Dr. Shumana is mentioning here, say with the Dr. Surinder, they are mentioning it here. Like we all have attended your bucket list. And after attending your bucket list mastermind, we all have got to know, okay, what is the bucket list for my for this week? It is giving us a target. It is giving us a direction, a monitoring of life. Otherwise, we are just okay. Once upon a time, something has popped up in mind, and that has gone in subconscious mind. We are not working towards that. But when it goes in written somewhere, and we are just maybe time and again, once in a while, we are just looking forward for, or we are just sorting that, that bucket list. Then we get to know, oh, I desired for this, and I have not touched it. What I have done to achieve it. So it gives us a great monitoring. And your
Yes.
idea of having this family bucket list is, I'm really, grateful to you for this. Like having
Yes.
one agenda for the whole family and
Yes.
going just to achieve that, having all the people together. It can be maybe the handwriting of your child. It can be the spoken part of your child. It can be the thinking skills of your child. And
Yes.
so
Yes.
it really gives a great. I just want request you to just a little more focus on emphasize on kids family bucket list, how it will help the kids to move forward in life. And before that, I like to read the comment from Rosorica. She has writing like giving conditions or some kind of deal to the child is really good. And Asha has also written, given good comments to you, Shadi. Like she has written awesome session, and many more are there. So I'll keep on just taking them in. Prashanti as well. Let us all make it happen. She has written this comment for us. So Ushaji, just tell me, how can we more, like what kind of skills we can give more with this bucket list?
See, for children, you can identify their talents, you can
Hmm.
motivate them. Suppose your child is, you don't have to tell them that you make this as a bucket list. If the child is
Hmm.
good in painting, just
Yeah.
indirectly show them, what if your painting comes in on this magazine? What if? Then this child
Yeah.
starts thinking, wow, I can do that. That thought comes into the child's mind. Okay, come on,
Hmm.
let's make it happen. Now you write down, put it in your bucket. Yes.
Hmm.
So one item has gone into the bucket. Now again another
Hmm.
one. Like that. It need not be. It could be anything. Very simple. Just even next week or 2 weeks later, we are going to go and have an ice cream together. We'll have an ice cream party. That could also be, because to be very frank with you, many children now during these conditions, parents don't even have any time to take them out, even for
Yes.
a small outing. Even if there is some now situation, yeah, in some spaces it is all open, they can have, but they don't have even time. Not even time. They don't have that mindset to take the child. They are drawn into their own what do you call working from home, those sessions, those computers. Now it is high time parents start thinking about these small things which they can give their children, so that
Right.
they also feel very happy about treating their children. I think parents should have this as their bucket list, to take their children out and give them some
So
some
true.
buzz
So
moments for
true.
children.
Here, I want to bring in Usha ji, like it's not necessary. Maybe like some of us can say, like it's water park or going out is somewhat economically is not affordable for some of them.
Mm.
It's not
Yes.
about going out only. It can be
Mm.
anything. Like you as you have taught us. Like
Mm.
maybe if a child want to go out, it's not necessary to go somewhere 500 600 kilometers. It can be just out of your city. There is a village, there are fields, there are some hills, and maybe not hills. What I have seen is uh, roadside, a construction is going on at the roadside and a heap of sand is there, and if you leave a child on that, that is a mountain for the child. For us that is nothing, but for a child that is a mountain. It's just about going out and just spending time with the child. So it's something like we need to be consciously make the list. What are upcoming things we need to do, where we need to proceed. Am I right,
Yes.
Usha ji? Am I getting
Yes,
it
yeah,
correct?
consciously we can just put in an idea, and in the process what will happen is, when a child goes out actually to see those natural surrounding, the lot of learning also happens. Apart from
Hmm.
enjoying and having that experience in the lap of nature, lot of learning also happens. And
Yeah.
one more thing, even I'm not even talking about making it happen. The very thought that we are going to go there, it motivates us all, even for
Right.
us, a child also. We become so enthusiastic. We don't feel that burden of doing something, some routine. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Then the very thought, it pumps in
Hmm.
lot of energy. You don't feel, okay, same old routine. क्या करना है,
Hmm.
यही करना है. You don't have that. You will not have that feeling.
Hmm. And
And one
Sarika again
thing
has.
I would like to add, Dr. Lalita, one thing that there are in people certain passion, it is all there inside.
Hmm.
When they start nurturing that, that
Hmm.
could become their bucket list also, because
Right.
it is all deep inside. When you start nurturing those passion which you had been feeling very strong about, nature will create those opportunities for things to happen. Like in my case, can I tell you my experience?
Sure. 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 Please.
Yeah. Yeah, when I was very small, I wanted to learn dancing, but my mother said no dancing, only singing. So that was always there inside me. And I was feeling so nice and happy when elder ladies, when they dance and all. When will I ever dance like this? I used to feel so jealous of them. And that too in South India, during marriages, it is all unheard of, this dancing
Yeah.
and all. Whereas I wanted to do that. And in North Indian weddings, I see elder people dancing, So I used to feel so nice. People are so happy here dancing. Here people are so serious and all that. And then it so happened that we started celebrating Women's Day in our office. And I was a committee member. I told them that let us have dance.
Yeah.
So as a group, I joined them. Later on, from my 56th year, I started giving solo performances in
Okay.
on the Women's Day. So I
Great.
started seeing YouTube videos about some Bollywood numbers. Then I made somebody do a medley. Then I started create. I mean, those moments I learned from the YouTube. 3 months before I start learning, I'll see videos like that. I used to keep dancing like that. I managed to dance in front of 250 women. So it was a solo. Even now these pandemic times, even now, when Women's Day happens, they ask me to come and perform. Okay, it may not be
Okay.
as proficient like youngsters do, but still, I'm happy that I'm able to do that.
Right,
So,
right.
so when you nurture that thought that your passion, no, it happens. It could become your bucket list, and it'll make you do.
Hmm. Hmm.
Opportunities
Uh,
will come.
Right, right, right. Like, and if we consciously do it, Usha ji, so we need not to wait maybe for so long. Like you have to wait for so long. If it's done every, every after, some period of time, then I think you can, like Dr. Shumana has written, some comments are there. I would love to read them here. Uh, First of all, it is from Rosarica again. It also gives a child or kid some sense of achievement and
Yes,
help in building their confidence.
fantastic.
Achievement need not only be academic oriented.
Yes,
So
yes,
wonderfully she has explained.
yes. Uh, so identify in that child that unique talent, nurture it,
Hmm.
and then create a bucket list. Have some power leaps. First you do
Yeah.
this, the next level. You will feel that the child will get attracted to that, and the child will outshine itself. That
And
that is also power of bucket
this
list.
this practice of bucket list can give us some surprises and can give us the understanding of our child as well. Like
Mhm,
I have experienced it with my son.
mhm.
Some few days back, like I asked, I used to feel okay, he's not very fond of school, that's fine. But one day I asked, okay, what do you want? Like I was just doing the practice kind of that. What is your first desire you want to fulfill? So he said, Mama, I'm really missing my school. I want to go back to school. So I was surprised. Like I never analyzed. He's so fond of going back to school. So it gives us the mind status of mind as well of the child. What is going on in the brain of the child? And
Yes,
here Sanika Asha has written again like awesome session. Sanika has written everyone in family should plan for bucket list. That is what we are discussing now. And
yes.
Dr. Shumana has written the power of what if. As you said, what if? My nephew is here. Uh, Yesterday I was discussing with him about writing a book, just
Okay.
just like that. So I asked, Noor. His name is Nahar. We call him. His nickname is Noor. I said, Noor, if a child of class 12 in your school is writing a book, and you have got to know this child has written a book, what will be your feeling? He said, Mommy, it will be great. Like, how obviously someone has achieved something. So I said, what if you write the book by
Definitely.
class 12? So he was,
Yes.
like amazed, like, how is that possible? Something. So this is something, bucket list turns goal to pursue it. This is something Dr. Shumana has written. It gives us a direction. Isn't it,
Yes.
Ushadi?
Yeah, it
Very
gives us
rightly,
a
Dr. Shumana.
direction, and those that pepping of that energy, mainly because um, all of us will have to grow old someday. Okay,
Yeah,
when
yeah,
as and when we start making our bucket list happen, when you
yeah,
sit in, when you're not mobile, when you think and look back, that will definitely bring smile on your face. You
yes,
will enjoy, cherish every moment of whatever you have done. And you should be conscious, yeah, this was an item in my bucket list and I made it happen. When you consciously register that in your mind in the ripe old age, that's going to be fantastic. You don't even have to take any pill. This itself will
yeah.
make you feel so young and energetic. Definitely.
I can see that in you. Being a grandmother, I can see that in you. Like no dissatisfaction in life. Yes, I have done whatever I have, and how can we do it? when you are having the bucket list, when you are updating your bucket list. Dr. Surinder has written a very great line, like the power of what if is really good, but the power of what if in only a positive way. We should not use this sentence for, you know, horrifying the kids or just to make them scared of it. What if that will happen? So it's a very good point from Dr. Surinder. Like, we need to be very careful about choosing where to use what if and where not to use what if. Am I right,
Yes.
Usha ji?
Yes, definitely. You should be. I mean, children, you really have to be your language should be very apt for that age, you know. You can't go overboard telling them something and then get into trouble. They need to understand exactly the way you are putting it, what you are trying to convey.
Hmm. So true. And as you discussed, as you highlighted that nature walk. So Jyoti Gidwani, she's again, you know, she's with us here. So she has written when her daughter was a small child. So they have taken her to all the nature parks, gardens, butterfly gardens all around in Bombay, whatever it was. And they are the memories. They are the learnings the child is having with them forever. Like,
Yeah,
isn't
definitely.
it? That's a true learning, as you said.
Yeah, for us, when we were small in Delhi, my father used to take us by walk to those to show us those building with lighting. You know, 26 January, those North Block, South Block, everything is lit up really very well. So on
Yeah.
the way, it never used to be a dull walk. You know, it was so enriching, and he used to tell us about all the Mahabharata stories and the morals behind that. You know,
Hmm.
we used to enjoy, we never felt the strain of walking, so we used to
Yeah.
look forward to going to the Republic Day parade.
Hmm.
We even
Right.
we don't even we will not like going by bus even. We used to tell them we'll walk the way and back so that we will hear a lot of stories. It used to be
Yeah.
like that. So those were the days when there were no computers. Good
Right.
old days.
True. The
Everything.
electricity in the evening will be out, and everyone is in the street for 2 hours.
Yes.
So now those things have changed, but this bucket list idea of yours is, I think, brilliant. Like Prashanti has written here, achievements help to build a positive image of the child. Like when we are planned about our ideas, about our path, like what we want to get in life, the idea of being clear gives us a feeling of achieving it, and that achievement, you know, helps us definitely to the child to make a good and positive self image, undoubtedly. Like, isn't it, Usha ji?
Yeah, definitely it gives us a sense of achievement. And there is one more on the flip side. If there is some deficiency, we should not tell the child that, look, you have not done well. You will have to ask the child what what is that thing which was missing in this, that you could not get to that level. That is all. The child itself will say that, yeah, you have done well, fantastic, but to get to that, tell me what you should have done more. That's all.
Hmm.
That will give a positive image for the child. Okay, this person is recognizing for what I have done, but
Yeah.
she's trying to tell me what I should have done more. That is all. And make it very casual about it. Don't highlight that, look, you should have done that, you should have achieved this. You have, yeah. When I went to my son's school one day when he was very small, at the gate I saw two ladies talking. One lady was talking as if the heavens have fallen down. You know what, my son, this test, you know, that one mark he lost, 99%. Can you believe it? Oh my God! I thought the child was only in LKG and she was talking about 99%. I felt very sorry for the child, in fact.
No, no, yeah. That is a everyday story. I mean, that's horrible with the kids. I'm pity to them. I mean, the parents more instead of the kids. Really. Like this idea of bucket list, I can see, is giving them the management skills, how a work should be done. Like, first of all, you are having something, then planning for it, then taking action for it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then giving
Yeah, that is an advanced level. I mean, that is the byproduct of having and making a bucket list and having it
Yes,
executed. Okay. But
yes, yes.
for everything, the basis is that experience, the journey of doing it,
Yeah,
the experience you get while actually doing it. That is
yeah,
priceless.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
So true. So, uh, I think I lost my connection in
Yeah.
between, and that's
Now
why the
you're
video could
now you're
got
back.
off. Usha ji, you may continue, please.
Yeah, that is what that experience I was talking about. Only that journey, that experience of doing it is very,
Yeah,
very
yeah,
important. That stays with you for a long time, right? And
hmm.
even why even couples can have their own
Yes,
bucket list. They can, as a family, yes, couples can have their own bucket list. The children, siblings can have
yeah,
so many things. So many small, small pockets are there. Siblings
yeah,
can, yeah, they can have their bucket
yeah,
list. As couples, as elders, you can have a bucket list to do something for your parents. That is also part of family bucket list, right? You can do
yes,
something for your
yes, yes,
parents.
yes.
When you do that, the child sees you. Child sees what you're doing for your parents or your husband's parents. There is a learning there.
Yeah, right. So true. So before we just sum it up, Usha ji, I just want a message from you for all the parents.
Uh, and first of all, I'm really truly honored to be on this chat show. But I would definitely love everybody create their own bucket list and see that you can see that you make it happen, because that is an experience which is priceless. No one ever should miss that. And and this is for the viewers outside. Please join my mastermind. We will make it happen for you. You create your own bucket list. We will work out together. You will feel, you will see the life, the changing, the world changing when you feel that excitement of having everything unfolded in front of you, where you will see you're achieving those small, small pleasures which you have been missing. You will feel energetic when you get up in the morning. You will look forward to the day, and your day will be full of energy, and you will be in that very good state once you have this bucket list done. That is what happened to me. I wish the same for you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Usha ji. Thanks a lot. Ladies and gentlemen who all are here on this call, if you actually feel that, like I feel, we have got just one life. Whatever is to be done, only this life, only this time. You never know about the next birth or the previous birth. I don't believe in that all. It may be and may not be, I don't know, but I don't believe in that all. So we have got just one life. So whatever is to be achieved, whatever you want in life, this is the only time, this is the only life you can do. And life as well, like only today I live. But if you truly want to achieve something, want to get something, and you don't understand what you want or what you don't want, go to this beautiful woman with her in her mastermind, and that is the bucket list. And it will change your life. I'm just telling you, it will definitely change your life. You can see the calmness on her face. You can see the comfort and the soothness on her face. It is just because of her ideas are very much clear, what she wants, what she doesn't want. And she has made many of us who are on the chat, like Kakoli is there, Prashanti is there. They all wonderful people are here with us. And she has, somewhere touched the life of the people in, bringing in this bucket list. And I am really thankful, Ushadi, for just having you here. Thank you so much for accepting the invitation and coming. And thanks a lot. And I'll definitely carry on with the bucket list with you. Okay. Thank you so much, Usha ji, for being
Thank you
here.
very much. Thank you, coaches, for joining this session. I'm truly honored. Thank you so much. Have a
Thank you.
great day. Stay
Thank you.
safe.
Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Bye, Usha ji. Thank you.
Bye.